Welcome. My name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel. In this video tutorial, we'll show how we can quickly and easily change the orientation of text in a cell. This feature will help us to better smooth the text in the table. Are you curious? Then let's go ahead and demonstrate it. The first step we need to do is mark the cells in which we want to change the orientation of the text. We want to mark the cells with the months. We'll click on the cell and drag. Now we're going to go to the Home tab, which is on the top bar. We'll look for the orientation icon, which is shown by the arrow pointing up and the letters AB on it. Click on it. Excel gives us several options for how we can rotate the text. We can tilt the text at a certain angle, or we can adjust it vertically. If we need to rotate the text at a different angle, as suggested, we click again on the orientation icon and select the last option, Format Cell Alignment. A window will pop up. Let's go to the Alignment tab. Here we find the settings for text alignment as well. But now we will show how to change the orientation of the text at an angle that suits us. For example, we now want to adjust the angle to 60 degrees. We have two ways to make this change. The first way is to use the points along the circle, which can be found in the orientation section. By dragging the pointer, we mark the desired angle. The second way is to enter the value 60 in the box located at the bottom of the circle. If we got it right, we click on the OK button. Great! The orientation of the text has changed exactly as we set it. If we still need to edit the text, we can use the icons located above. Here we have the option to align the text right to left or center. We're done. It was easy, wasn't it? If you found this video tutorial helpful, let us know via like or comment. Want to learn how to work better with Excel? If so, then be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next video.